Alright guys, in this video I just want to give you guys a quick tip on how to bleed your cooling system on a 2012 and up Chevrolet Cruze. This one has the 1.4 liter turbo, and it's actually very simple. You're going to fill up your reservoir, okay, and when you fill up your reservoir, you're going to come all the way over onto this side of your radiator. All the way down here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. I'm going to try to light it up for you guys. But, yeah. Oh, there goes my light. That's always fun. Take two. Alright. So, let's see if I can show it to you guys. I don't know if you guys see inside, behind this wire. If I can move the wire out of the way, maybe we'll see a little bit better. There's a little plug in there. It's a Phillips or a flathead, and what you're going to do is just come in here with your screwdriver. Try to do this through the view behind her, and you're just going to take it out. Hopefully this guy does not drop on me. There we go. And you're going to keep it coming out until there is no air that comes out of the system. As you can see, mine is pretty straight, has no more air into it. So I'm just going to take and put them back, because I don't need to go any more than that. But that is how you would bleed it.
Now after you take and you notice that there is practically no more air bubbles coming out from the radiator, you take and you put your plug back in, and then you go over and you refill your coolant reservoir. Now you always have to make sure that your coolant reservoir stays full, or else it's just, you're going to be redoing this process over and over and over again.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.